Well, I'm really a Pith dealer. Look at me in my Pith gear. Damn, sis. No matter what you do, then go talk. I got this package, which is why we're here. There are 2 Nigerian brands in here that got shipped to me over the weekend, and I'm so excited. It's literally been sitting here collecting dust, but I'm so excited to open it because it's wavy stuff in here. Literally, it's wavy stuff in here. I feel like we should do this with other fashion enthusiasts and fashion entrepreneurs. So I'm going to call Dio and Naz. I'm just gonna set the mood real quick. I've been listening to the Cavemen's new album because it just dropped this morning. Y'all should run that shit up. Where's Naz? Say hi. Oh my god. It's so much. There's so much shit. Look at that. Look at the material. Look at the material. Gang. This is yay. Lumi. I ordered this like over the summer. Pith has been adding stuff to my orders because they fuck with me. Right?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah. Okay, wait, no, I want to see the jeans first. Look at the material.
I'll take you.
That's fire. That's actually fire.
What is it?
I'm just saying, like, this is mad. Okay, I'm going to try it on now since that's all you've wanted.
Yeah. The downstairs.
Wait, tell Naz that I'm on the phone with you. He's calling me. Yes, bitch. Yours.
Mad. Oh my god.
Okay, I definitely thought I wouldn't like this, but I do.
That's so mad.
It's so fucking mad. It's actually mad. I love it. Okay, bye. Yeah, no, these and the jeans are quality. I always wear my black Pith, like my black Pith denims. Look at that. That's my name. The quality is... Oh, they tapered it as well, but I would have liked it even longer. But I can do that myself. But like the black ones that I have, which is literally my uniform, I wear all the time, everywhere, with like my inner jumper. The quality of those jeans are ridiculous. Like, and the thing is, like, they don't even make the jeans, they thrift the jeans and then personalize it. Such a sustainable economic system that they're using to make the jeans, or to make denims. Reuse. I love this so much. And the Pith Africa. If I hadn't made this clear, Pith Africa is one of my favorite Nigerian brands right now. Another fave, Lumi. Gealumi is a knit brand, is a knitwear brand, and I'm trying not to tear the clothes. I had 2 Gealumi pieces, and they're like custom made because like Keme makes them like just for you. So this one I saw on Ashley, and I was like, I want that. Like, I was like, I want that. That looks nice. I want it. And I would really have loved, I hope there's a sticker inside because I would really have loved to keep this. Wait, I should be showing you guys this, but I'm doing the best I can, okay? Woo! Oh, I forgot I ordered it in black and white. Yes. Oh, I should have done it black though. I thought I did it black. I should have done it in black. Oh yeah. Oh, and it has the brand tag. Wait, hold on. Let me pick this up. Naz is calling me. Okay, so back. I love it so much. Oh, I am gonna wear the fuck out of this. I'm gonna wear the fuck. And I'm going to wear it to school as well. Because this is like perfect layering attire. Like, this is the perfect thing to layer things with. Like, imagine this with a black turtleneck. Hell yeah. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, I'm literally like, sorry, I really value my clothes, so. Okay, now the second Pith package. I love the bags. I'm a Pith dealer now. I deal Pith, basically. I'm a Pith dealer. Okay, if you need your Pith, come to me. Come to me, I'm joking. But yeah, in a few weeks, you're gonna have to actually come to me about this. Oh baby, oh baby, look at this. You don't even want to know what the fabric feels like. It's like, it's not, I'm gonna wear it right now. I just want to feel it. Hey God, I said it's the attention to detail for me. I don't know about you, but for me, that's all I gotta say. I can't wait to wear this with my black Pith. Oh my God. Now listen to me when I say it's giving everything that it's supposed to give. Everything. But do you see that though? The zippers don't go the same way. Okay, first of all, I'm a fan of construction of clothes. I said it's the attention to detail. Are you mad? Are you actually mad? And it feels so good, and I love the length. The length is perfect. And I just love it so much. It's just, I'm so happy. Yeah, guys, I know that the production companies don't be doing the best job, but I'm so proud of you guys. When I had my atelier shot, there's just some shit that I wouldn't take. Like, if that stitch is running, you won't have to do it again, baby. But I understand the difficulty, especially when it's not your own like atelier. It's very hard to control like the shit that they do. But I just love these so much, and I'm so happy. But I think, yeah, giveaway, yeah, guys, because I know I'm not gonna wear it. I already have like a normal like polo hat that I don't wear, so I know I'm not gonna wear it. But it's so like, I don't know if you can tell, it's like so soft and comfortable, and like even the inside is lined properly, and this is like the setting it's on, and it just fits perfectly, literally. I would like you to subscribe and turn on the bell thingy so that we can chalet, we can, you know what it is. Okay, welcome to the second half of the video. At this entry point of this journal, I'm just going to pack up and talk to you about my favorite Nigerian brands. So firstly,